Hi! Let's learn how to make a crochet hook using a pen. So choose any pen you have, but you need to avoid this kind of pen because thread won't slide easily over it. Instead, choose a pen which has soft edges. Now just break this part of your pen using your hand, or you might want to use a cutter because clearly I'm struggling here. Now just tape the cap down to the body. It will make it easier to use and thread will be able to slide easily over the hook. Your hook is ready. Let's try using some yarn. Here I'm using a t-shirt yarn. You can use thick yarns with this crochet hook. I think it turned out good for the DIY crochet hook. Tell me in the comments how it worked out for you.